What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to learn how to draw Goku. Okay, so today we are going to draw Super Saiyan Goku. For this tutorial, these are the materials we'll need, and of course, before we get started, make sure to draw a perfect square. Each side is 5 centimeters. This is going to be a frontal pose. We're going to start by drawing Goku's face. As you can see, the square helps us keep the right proportions. Next, we are going to use this guideline to help us keep the right proportions for the eyes as well. And now we are going to draw the wrinkles between the eyes, following with the eyebrow. And then for the eye, we'll use 3 lines. Make sure that the bottom line will be curved. We'll add a pupil, some lines above the eye, and of course the famous cheek marks, again by using curves. Awesome. Next, we'll of course do the same for the left side. And now we can draw the nose by using 5 lines following these steps. And now we can draw the mouth really close to the nose. In Dragon Ball they use a very tiny gap from the mouth to the nose. We'll indicate the bottom lip. And I'm just gonna do some refinement. And now we'll continue to draw the ears. So first we are going to draw the shape of the ear. And after that we can add the details. And again, you can use the square to help you keep the same symmetry. Sweet. Once we are done with that, we are going to draw the neck and the trap muscles. We'll draw the neck muscles, the Adam's apple. And now we can draw his Super Saiyan hair. So first we are going to draw 2 spikes of hair on each side. Next we are going to use this guideline again to help us keep the symmetry for the hair. We'll draw this curve to indicate his forehead, and then we'll draw 4 spikes of hair from the front. And of course get rid of all the unnecessary lines. Awesome. Next we're going to add the rest of the hair. As you see, to draw the spikes, I'm using 2 to 5 lines. Awesome, and once we are done with that, we're going to take the mechanical pencil and go all over the lines to make it look more bold. Now I say the mechanical pencil, but you can of course use the HB pencil, whatever you got. Awesome, what we are going to do now is mark the shaded areas. This is the same process they did back in the day with cell shading. Once we are done with that, we're going to take the HB pencil and start shading in the direction of the shape, as you guys can see. If you want to apply more pressure on the page, you can hold the pencil closer to the tip and therefore you will get more lead on the paper. However, if you want to make it more smooth and applying more layers, you can hold the pencil closer to the eraser and just add in layers of lead, just like I'm doing right now. Awesome, once we are done with that, we are going to add another shade. This time it will be darker. And as you guys can see, I'm holding the pencil closer to the tip, just like I explained before. That way we'll get a much darker look. And of course, you can use this piece of paper if you don't want to smear the lead. Next, I'm gonna do some refinement to the lines. And I think the hair and the overall shade should be darker, so we are going to add one more layer of shade just to create more contrast. And we are done, everybody. This is how you draw Super Saiyan Goku for beginners. As you can see, we didn't have to use any expensive material. If you follow these steps again and again, you will get better. Now I want to thank you all for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe if you're new. I upload new videos every week. And if you want to do more tutorials, there's over 120 waiting for you in this channel. So keep being awesome as always, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.